Check this out, guys. This is kitchen of a restaurant. Restaurant kitchen staff typically work together in a coordinated effort to prepare, cook, and serve food to customers. Here is an overview of how they work. Kitchen hierarchy. Most kitchens have a hierarchy, with a head chef or executive chef at the top, followed by sous chefs, line cooks, prep cooks, and dishwashers. Station assignments. Each cook is typically assigned to a specific station or area of the kitchen, such as the grill, sauté station, fryer, or pantry. They are responsible for preparing the dishes that are associated with their station. Prep work. Before service begins, the kitchen staff will typically do prep work, such as chopping vegetables, preparing sauces, and marinating meats. Service. During service, the kitchen staff will work together to cook and plate dishes in a timely manner. The head chef or sous chef may call out orders to the line cooks, who will then communicate with each other to ensure that each dish is prepared correctly. Communication. Communication is key in a busy kitchen. Cooks must be able to communicate with each other effectively to ensure that dishes are prepared to the customer's specifications and are ready to be served at the same time. Cleaning. At the end of the day, the kitchen staff will typically clean and sanitize the kitchen and equipment to ensure that everything is ready for the next day. Overall, the restaurant kitchen staff works together as a team to ensure that food is prepared and served to the highest standards.